y'all, I'm Casey, and I'm all about action. And I don't like to sit around and wait for things to happen. Here at my grandpa's farm, he taught me that action makes things happen. He was right. He also taught me a fancy word called initiative. When you take initiative, you are taking action to make something happen. I like to take initiative. When I see there is no water for the cows, I refill their tank. It's called being helpful, and Grandpa really appreciates it. Action makes it happen. At school, I take initiative to collect all the playground equipment. My teacher doesn't need to ask me. I just do it. My friend William wants to be an engineer, and he knows action will make it happen. So, he checked out a book about engineering at the library. He also researched what college has the best engineering school. Now, he's making a plan for his future as an engineer. I know for a fact William is going to have a career as an engineer because he's showing initiative and making it happen. Remember, y'all, action makes it happen. So get out there, take some initiative.